Hello everyone! As you may recall from the last episode, the previous builder had placed the bridge in an awkward position, meaning it was off-center and too far back to intonate correctly. I will start my work by doweling the holes that I will not need. This is to keep the wood strong should I need to make a hole near a previous hole. As you can see, a sharp chisel is used to pare the dowel flush to the surface of the guitar. I placed some tape off camera and marked the center of the guitar body. I then marked where the bridge should be placed to get an idea of where the mounting screws will be placed. There are 5 holes into the neck pocket. The center hole is irregularly shaped, so I use toothpicks to fill in the space around the dowel to get as much wood as possible into the hole. Double-checking the bridge location. It should be set to twice the distance from the nut to the 12th fret. I set the bridge adjustment to be as far forward as I am comfortable with. Now to see if the bridge pickup fits into the cavity. I need to make sure of my measurements. You know the old carpenter's motto, measure twice, cut once. I'm checking the center line with the neck I will be using, and the shim in place. This will shift the center line about 40 thousandths of an inch. It has become apparent that the pickup cavity needs to be modified to accommodate the bridge pickup. I am going to make a template using a scrap of MDF and the outline of the pickup. I will hog out most of the material with a Forstner bit with a diameter that fits the inside of the corners. I use a sanding drum and my drill press to remove the last of the material. It gets a bit difficult as the sawdust builds up on top of the piece I'm working on. The sawdust hides my lines, so I need to blow off the dust frequently. The finishing touches on the template are made with a half-round file. The guitar body is clamped to my workbench along with the template. I hope it holds steady. I have to adjust the depth of the router bit to get the required depth for the pickup. Always check your work. I got the idea to shim the neck pocket with edge banding from another YouTube creator. I checked the thickness dimensions online, which listed 50 thousandths. I figured I could sand it down to the needed thickness. When I bought some, I measured the thickness, and it was 40 thousandths, just what I need. Trim the excess off for a nice edge. Check the center line again with the neck I will be using. I am screwing the bridge into place, and will mark the position for the through body string holes. And of course, check the alignment of the neck, the body, and the bridge. I am trimming the pickguard down with a razor blade. Everything must fit. This portable drill press allows me to make perfectly located holes. Here, I am using a brad point bit to make holes for the through body string ferrules. The final bit of fitting I need to do is make the holes for the neck screws. I will be using the neck that came with the guitar as a paint paddle, so it needs to be fitted as well as the neck that I will be using.